fun trivia quiz about dogs. There are 5 questions. Good luck! Question 1. Which dog breed's name literally translates to badger dog in German, reflecting its original purpose of flushing badgers out of their underground dens? A Schnauzer, B. Dachshund, C. Rottweiler, D. Doberman Pinscher. The answer, B. Dachshund. Dachs means badger and Hund means dog in German. They were specifically engineered to slide into narrow burrows. Question 2. What body part on a dog is as unique as a human's fingerprint? A. Tongue surface, B. Nose print, C. Ear shape, D. Paw pad. The answer, B. Their nose print. The ridges and patterns on a dog's nose are completely unique to them. Question 3. Which sense is a dog's most powerful and highly developed asset? A. Sight, B. Hearing, C. Smell, D. Taste. The answer, C. Smell. A dog's sense of smell is estimated to be 10,000 to 100,000 times more acute than a human. Question 4. How do dogs primarily cool themselves down when they are hot? A. Sweating through their skin, B. Panting and sweating through their paw pads, C. Flapping their ears, D. Drinking cold water. The answer, B. Panting and sweating through their paw pads. Dogs don't have sweat glands all over their bodies like humans do. Panting is their main way to release heat. Question 5. Which breed is widely considered the most intelligent and excels at herding livestock? A. Poodle, B. Border Collie, C. Australian Shepherd, D. Boxer. The answer, B. Border Collie, is known for their intense eye contact and incredible work ethic. They top almost every canine intelligence list. How many did you got right? If you love dogs, like and comment below your score. I hope you enjoy and learn something new.